Hey everyone! Welcome to our vlog. Today we're talking about opinion marking signals. These are words and phrases that help us clearly share our opinions. We will show you some easy examples so you can start using them right away in your conversations and writings.
Well, the school offers more than just the regular curriculum. Kasi this school is under the STEVEP, which is yung sa focus on the technical vocational education, focus on the skills, process-oriented. So the students are capable of learning more skills na magagamit nila as life skills. For example, pagkukumpuni ng mga electrical appliances sa bahay, yung mga EPAS natin, wirings, nagagawa ng EIM, sa cookery, ayan, yung pagluluto, simple dishes, nagagawa nila ng paraan para mabigyan ng buhay. Ano pa ba? Dressmaking, nagagawa sila ng mga gamit. So, it is a very utilized skill, yung mga process-oriented na part ng ating curriculum, lalong-lalo na sa PD.
I am convinced that the school offers an affordable and accessible quality education at an affordable cost, making it accessible to families from diverse backgrounds.
I strongly believe the school focuses on not only academic success but also extracurricular activities, ensuring students grow in various areas such as sport, arts, and leadership.
In my opinion, La Paz National High School provides a strong academic foundation with experienced teachers dedicated to helping students succeed in their studies. So by enrolling in La Paz National High School, students gain a well-rounded education that sets them up for future success. And that is our opinions on why you should enroll here at La Paz National High School. Thanks for watching!